Everybody, I'm Jackie Jing with Anime News Network, and for this edition of the list, we are talking about 5 of the best anime dogs. Our managing editor, Lindsay Leverage, put this list together, so make sure to show her some love. And before we get into that, you know what you gotta do. You gotta subscribe to the Anime News Network YouTube page, and do not forget to hit that notification bell. Ring ring. Alright, well, since we're talking about pups, I better transform. I was thinking, but okay. I mean, I had to make the list, and don't be deceived by those puppy eyes. This scientifically enhanced data dog has impressive intelligence. The real tragedy of Ain's existence, though, the Bebop crew seems largely oblivious to his contributions, even when Ed speaks for him. Still, a dog who can play shogi, manipulate livestock to help catch a bounty, and hack a cult website. Good luck finding one at your local shelter. At first glance, Sadaharu is just another adorable white fluffy puppy. Oh wait, pull the camera out, and yeah, he's enormous. Technically, Sadaharu isn't just a dog, he's an Inugami, a dog god. Sadaharu's favorite pastime, though, is biting the heads of various characters in the series, from the protagonist to the one-off. He can also grow even larger by drinking strawberry milk. Kawaii! A dog is man's best friend, and Akamaru and Kiba Inuzuka take that to a whole nother level. Akamaru is the scout, led by his impeccable sense of smell, and is loyal to his fiery and a little arrogant Master Kiba. The two grew up together, so Akamaru is always by his side and ready to jump in when things look dire. What separates Akamaru from other canines? His ability to mimic his master's appearance, and even meld with him to become a two-headed nightmare beast. I want to be able to do that. This hoodie-wearing pug is the Mankanshaku family pet, and can usually be seen palling around with Mako's younger brother Mataro. Guts is a perv. The only thing he likes more than warming up to Ryuko is stuffing his face full of human food. But come on, that hoodie though. Poodle time! Makachin travels with Victor wherever he goes. They're practically inseparable. In fact, the dog is so closely associated with Victor that it was the inspiration behind Yuri's own poodle. You'll be hard-pressed to find a dog owner that loves their pooch more. Victor has a cell phone folder with over 1,000 snaps of his precious pup. Yeah, that sounds about right for the typical dog owner. Sources say Iggy is a mutt, but he looks pretty similar to a Boston Terrier. He's got a foul disposition and foul farts. And do not be deceived by that small stature. Iggy's a street dog that packs a punch. He can take on super-powered foes by manipulating the sandy deserts to create constructs. I mean, that alone, he is on the list. Alright, who's your favorite anime dog? Comment below and make sure to follow all the Anime News Network social accounts. Wait, how do I, change back? Anybody? Uh-oh.